Hi everyone, I hope you're all having an amazing day. For those of you that don't know who I am, I'm Bethan and I'm a self-taught makeup artist person who only uses cruelty-free and vegan products. Today I'm going to be doing this look here. It looks a bit like a wave and I really enjoy doing this, so I hope you all enjoy. Okay, so as you can see, I've already done this eye. The colour palette I'm going to use today, you've probably seen a lot in my videos because I do use it a lot because it's the only one that I've got a range of colours in, is the Revolution Ultra Colour Explosion palette. And I'm going to be using two of the blues out of it, or the only blues out of it, and the white today to make this look. Okay, so first off I'm going to go in with a small brush just to map out where the wing, where the thing is going to be. I want it quite high and I want that bit to be the dip. Okay, so now as you can see I've mapped it out, and I'm going to go now in with the middle colour, with the lighter colour just on the just on the middle bit of the eye, on a flat packing brush. Then I'm going to go in with the darker one on an angled brush on the edge and sort of blending into that middle bit. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to lighten all around it with a bit of concealer. And the concealer I'm using is the Revolution Conceal and Define in the colour C3. I'm also putting it in a bit by here just to make it a bit more prominent when I put the white on. And I'm going to go over that now with like a white from my palette with a flat little brush. Eyes water. I hate it when my eye waters. Come on, eye. And I'm going to go in and darken the outer corner. And just touch up that inner bit. Inner blue. I just realised that's a lot more pointed than this one, and that's got a curve, but you know what, it doesn't matter. So now I'm going to go in with my big blending brush just to blend it all together. I'm just going to put a touch more white in that corner, and I'm also going to bring it in down my lower lid. And then I'm going to just fill in the underneath. I'm going to go in with the darker one just on the corner. Okay, so I'm just bringing this on that little corner. And then I'm going to use the lighter colour just in the middle, just to sort of mimic what I've done on top. And then I'm going to blend them out. Okay, next I'm going to go in with eyeliner, and the eyeliner I'm using is the Kat Von D tattoo liner sorry, in the colour Trooper Black. I'm just going to do a basic line with this one now because I don't want to take away from the actual eyeshadow. Okay, next I'm going to go in with mascara, and the mascara I'm using is the MUA Amplify Statement Lash mascara, and I'm going to do my bottom lashes and then my top. Okay, next I'm going to go in and I'm going to just highlight my brow bone and in a bit of my eye with my Revolution Soph contour palette, the highlighter from that. I've sort of brought the highlighter just to accentuate the flick. So I've brought it right down to the flick. Okay, so that's my finished look. I hope if you like this video, please don't forget to go and give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe and click that notification bell so that you can get all of my content. I hope you have an amazing day. Bye guys.